Warning, viewers, please don't try to replicate anything you see in this video. Health and safety has gone out the window. Video may contain offensive language or violence, but no sexual images. But it's okay, as it is two Geordies and no one cares. That's why they call it the Geordie Workshop!
Welcome to the Geordie Workshop. This is another quick project I've done. This was the one of a previous video with my grandson, the Suzuki RF600, what wouldn't start. So basically I thought I'll faff with it and all that, but I didn't record it. I'll just done a quick video, so I'll show you it. I put like the panniers in and that. If you look at the other video, you can see it's not a long one. Put a tailpipe on it, pannier bits on there. Oh well, that didn't work very well then, did it? Painted it black, delighted it, daytime MOT, lethal bars. YZF, fucking whatever you want to call it. See if it'll start, because it wouldn't start last time, like. It's only because I keep fucking it up when I keep going to start it. Quick video, thanks for watching, see you again, bye.